I will be showing you how I made the plate number 3 on AutoCAD. So I will be speaking in English because Wanzo might watch the video. So yeah, I will be speaking in English for him. We will adjust for him. So let's start on making. Oh wait, before we begin, let's check the units first. All right, so uh the one that I'm going to choose is inches. It will be fine if you use centimeters or millimeters, but I recommend using inches because using these two will make your model very tiny, and if you put it on layout, it will be hard to see. So I recommend using inches. So let's begin on the first circle, this one. To make this, we will just make a circle with uh, radius of 7.5 for the inner circle, and for the outer circle, we have 15. So let's make it. Uh, we can use a circle with center radius, or we can just uh, up, we can just type C for circle. So let's make 7.5 radius and 15. All right. So wait, I will teach you how to. To make the circle, like uh, to align the outer circle with the inner circle, it should have the same center point. But how to do that? Wait, how to do that? Uh, you might have this kind of scenario where you cannot see where is the center point. To see the center point, you just have to hover your cursor or this cross thing on the one of the edges of the circle to see the center point. So 15, right? And then next one is circle, this circle right here. To do this, we can see that uh these dimensions, it is 65 units and 35 units. From the center point, we have 65 units here and 35 units here. So we just make a guideline by using a line. So from the center point, we make 65 units to the left and 35 units downwards. And then let's make a circle with a 10 radius and 20. So 10. And then to make another one, 20. All right. And the next is these two circles below. As you can see, uh, this one on the bottom is easier to make than this one. So how to do this? Once the circle on the bottom, if you can see the dimensions right here, it is 75 units downwards. So from here, we have 75 units up until here. And then, uh, wait, okay, so we have 75 units up until here. So from here, how do we know the distance from here to here. So if, as you can see on the upper part, we have 105 units from here to the center point of this circle up until here. So we have 105 here. So if from here up until here is 45 units, from here to here is 60 units. So if they add up, it's 105. So we make a guideline from here. We have 75 units and 60 units. All right. And then we can now proceed and make the circle with 7.5 radius. 7.5. And then the outer circle is 15 units. 15 radius. Radius 15. Okay, so we're done on making this part. Next part is this circle. To make this, we can see that uh from here to here, you can see our reference point, this center point. From here to here is 30 units. So we go up for 30 units, and uh from the center point, which is here, uh from here to here is 15 units. So this one is just moved uh to the left, but it is aligned with this reference point. So don't get confused on this part. So this 30 is aligned with this reference line. So we just make a 30 units. Line. 30 units and 15 units, so that we can reach one, this one, the edge of the circle, the tip of circle, one point of the circle. Ito sinabi. So we don't know the exact position of this center point, but we do know that from here we'll start uh one of the points of the circle. So we do not use this one center radius, but instead we use this 2 point, and if this outer circle has a radius of 15, in 2 point circle, we use diameter. So what is the diameter of a circle with a 15 uh radius, with a radius of 15? So obviously it's 30 units. And then we can now see the center point of this circle. So this one. So its radius is 7.5. 7.5. Yeah. And how do we make this curve? This curve right here. So from this reference line up until here, its radius is 15. So let's just make a circle with a radius of 15 right here. To make it easier, we make another circle with using 2 point. And from here, its radius is 15, so its diameter is 30. And if you can see, it's very aligned on the upper circle. So if we remove this part, it will look like this. And next is making the lines. So this one, this straight line is 10 units. So let's make this 10. And then uh we make a vertical line from here to here. Why? Because we will make a diagonal line that is 15 degrees. We make a 15-degree line. And because the 15-degree line doesn't go exactly right here. So L line 15. So make sure that you have 15 degrees right there and click it. So we trim this one. Next is so saan ako nag-stop? So the first video was cut accidentally. So yeah. Next part is this one right here. So if you can see, we have the reference point here. So if we go down, its distance is 15 units. 15 units. So let's make that 15 units. From here, we go horizontal 15. And then we go downwards. We just go downwards up until we reach this one. Okay. And then, okay, so let's now make uh the left part of our model. Let's finish the left part of our model before going here. Okay. So, or wait, let's just finish this left part. Right part pala. Let's just finish this left part first pala. So, yeah, because it's easy naman. It's easy to make. So, yeah. From here, our from here, this center point, we go 45 units. 45 units. So let's use this center point to get through here. So we have 45 units. Okay. And then next is 115. So line, we go 115. And 100. Yeah, there you go. But uh we have this one here. So it's 4 units. 4 by 4 units. So let's make this 4. Then we go up for 4 units. And then uh, we made a right triangle. So we move this one, move, and then we pick this point there. And then we trim it. And then another one is we make a triangle. Or we can just proceed from here. 4. Oh no. we make it here. So four upwards, four going to the left, and okay. So we move this one again and move, and we pick this one on the bottom. Move it till we get here, and then we just trim. Next, we're almost done. Uh, let's just make a circle, a line from here, going down, and from here, and then let's just trim. Let's first trim the parts, the unnecessary parts. Let's trim it, or we can erase this one. Erase, 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 erase. Then we trim. We trim this one. Trim. We trim this one. We trim this one. Trim this one and this one. Alright. And then we go fillet. Fillet. And then press letter R. R. And then our first one is 5. 5. We select these two lines. And this one is also 5. Oh, fillet. 5. Next, this one is 5 as well. This one is 5 as well. Oh, this one and this one. And then what else? We're done. Okay, we're done on doing the fillet. Next one is this one. This line. How did I make this? How did I make it? What French point did I use? Wait. Alright, so I just know. I'm not really sure, but as I said earlier, I don't know if in this video, but I said earlier that this is my way of doing it. So I just know that from here, from here, it is connected here and connected here. It is aligned. So, which points was it? It's this one, the end of the fillet, or yeah, the end of the fillet. So make the this line and this one, this line. Yeah. So this would be the center point of this circle. So it has a radius of 7.5. 7.5. Then uh it says 45 degrees. So we have here 45 degrees. Just make sure it's 45 degrees. And then the distance between the two circles are 30 units. 30. So first, let's check if this is 40 degrees. How do we make that? Typing, by typing dim angular. Then we choose this one and this one. So it's 45 degrees. Then this would be the other point where we make the other circle. So it has 7.5, right? Then let's just remove this one first. And this. I know. Oh yeah, we can actually remove this one. And then let's make a reference point. So 45 degrees, 135 degrees. Let's make 30. Should be 30. Yeah. And then for the other one, let's make a straight line out of it. And from here, we go here. So it's 30 units. And then let's just remove these parts and trim this one. So we're done. You can see, yeah, and it's correct because this one, this circle is like off. This kind of moved down a little and moved left a little. So it is not that very much aligned. And if we check this one, so it is moved down a little. Oh, wait, just move down a little and move left a little. So it's correct. We just know it's correct. And now it's time to make dimensions. So let's uh make dimension. Wait, before we put dimension, let's just fix the dimension first by typing dim style and modify text. So text height is 2.5, that's correct. Primary units, precision to 0. Uh, Symbols and arrows, arrow size is it 2 or it's a little, oh no, it's fine. Dim style, modify. So symbols and arrows should be 2 mark. Let's make it, oh no, let's make it as it is 0.09. Then lines 1, 1, this one, extend beyond dim lines and offset from origin. Okay. So our dimensions are set. Let's make one. So uh where do I start? Here. We make a line here from here. It's just a reference line. So dimension from here to here is 105. Oh, oh. Don't forget to press escape. If you will click something. Yeah. So there you go. So dimension, another dimension from here to center to here. It's 65. Let's move it down a little. Next one is this one, the 10. So dimension from here to here is 10. And then uh um uh wait, I really don't know how to make this kind of cross lines. So let's make this one first 4. So dimension and yeah, yeah. Wait. I will not show you everything on how to put everything, every dimension right here. I will just show you how to okay, how do I call this? I will demonstrate on how to make each of the different kinds of dimensions that is included on the plate. So uh it's easy to make this kind of line dimensions. So we just ignore this one. Put it this. And then for this angles right here, I have mentioned this on my previous video on plate number 2. We include a line here. So we include a line here. Make a line. It's too much. So if you're making one, just make it a little bit short, and then we type it in angular, and then we select this and this to make 15 degrees. Oh, it's too much. Wait, and another one, angular, from here to here. It's 45 degrees. So it's too much again. Let's move it a little. Yeah. And now we are done on making angular dimension. How do we make a dimension that gives you the radius of a circle? So it's easy. If you can see this, wait, this dimension, and then the one right next to it, we can see different kinds of dimensions right here. For angles, we can actually choose this one, but for radius, we're going to uh select this one, and then we just pick a circle. So this one, and this one, enter, select this one, 15. So if you can see, it is 8. It says that the radius is 8, but in here it says radius is 7.5. Why? Because if you can remember on dim style, modify, let's see, our primary units, the precision is just 0. So we keep the 0 precision, and we will just edit this one, the 8. Because since 0, wait, look at the difference. If I change the dimensions, the precision to 0 0.0, everything will have like a point 0, a point 0, which is pretty much unnecessary. If you will ask me, it's unnecessary. So we go back to 0 precision. It rounded off. So what we're gonna do is press this one, right click and properties. We go all the way down. Ah, no, not all the way down. We just find primary units. And we go here, precision to 0 0.0, so that not everything is affected. See? Not everything is affected. Just this one. Then if you try to make another one, it's 7.5, but it will show you, it will give you 8. So you will do the same thing. Click it and right click, properties, go to primary units, and precision. You make it zero point 0.0. So we close it. All right. So we're done. I'm done showing you how to make different kinds of dimension. We have a linear dimension, we have angular dimension, and radius dimension. So I showed you uh how to edit the ones that are rounding off automatically. So just click properties, primary units, and natamad na ako. Kain yun na yun, guys. Okay, ingat. Ingat lagi.